guys, Manoj here. PlayStation 5 is going to hit 36 millions in sales, and now they are going to introduce the PS5 Pro with an 8K display resolution that will offer 120 FPS performance in gaming. But the previous year model PS5 had trouble reaching good FPS in ultra ray tracing technology, but now Sony claims it will be incredible performance in PS5 Pro. Ray tracing is not supported in most of the games, but in the future with Rage 9 engine and Unreal engines, we can get it for sure. Like GeForce DLSS FPS boost technology is now supporting most of the games. PS5 Pro will support removable disk so that we can expect PS5 Pro within our budget price point. 12 core AMD Gen 4 CPU is used with a super clock speed of 5.7 GHz. There is no official information about the boost clock speed, and GPU architecture is based on AMD Radeon graphics RDNA 3 with 32 teraflops. Even 2080 Super RTX graphics using 12 teraflops graphics power, who are all waiting to play GTA 6. This PlayStation 5 Pro is perfect for that within our budget. Because if you can't able to afford RTX 4080 GPU has 64 teraflops. The PS5 Pro comes with 18 gigs of DDR6 dual channel RAM with a memory bandwidth of 512 gigabytes per second and 1 TB of faster NVMe solid state drive also included inside it. For movie lovers, it supports a 4K Blu-ray optical drive same as the older PS5 version. This cooling technology is going to cool down your gaming console smoothly using a metal cooling liquid, which is far better than the thermal paste used in PCs and older consoles like PS4 and older Xbox versions. PS5 Pro virtual reality is supported in 8K in resolution, and all the major companies are invested in VR devices because that is the future for sure. Don't expect it like the PS6 version. Just think about this is the PS5 upgradable version with well required updates for nowadays games. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.